Hello everyone. Happiness is that state of consciousness which proceeds from the achievement of one's values. On this note, I, Ms. Shrishti Padwal from PGDM feels privileged to welcome you all to the 10th Digital BRIMS Connect session for the month of November 2020. Now, let us have a glance on the updates and achievement for the month of November. We feel privileged to share with you that Dr. Nitin Joshi received certificate from Dheya Career Mentor as a certified career mentor. On 2nd November, Dr. Smita Jappe coordinated Integrity Pledge for students and faculty during Vigilance Week, and it gives us immense pleasure to announce that Dr. V.N. Brims has also received a certificate of commitment from Central Vigilance Commission. Going ahead on 3rd of November, Professor Krunal K. Panjani was invited as a resource person for Research Methodology Workshop to conduct a session on literature review by Central Institute of Business Management Research and Development, Nagpur. On 9th November, Dr. Arlov John Vieira was invited as a speaker for a webinar titled as Management Courses Will Help Pharmacy Students Find Direction for Your Career and Develop a Successful Personality, which was organized by Goa College of Pharmacy in Panji under the Bridge program. We also feel delighted to share with you that on 10th and 11th of November, Dr. Nitin Joshi represented CII as an assessor for Tata Motors Service Division for Customer Obsession Award. Going ahead, on 10th November, Dr. Arlov John Vieira was invited as a speaker for a webinar titled The Way Ahead for a Successful Career in Supply Chain Management and Operations, organized by Pillai Institute of Management, Panvel. Further, on 18th November, Professor Kanchan successfully completed Accredited Professional Counseling Diploma course online from Udemy. On 19th November, Professor Siddesh Soman conducted placement guidance session for MMS and PGDM finance students. We also feel glad to share that on 21st November, Dr. Nitin Joshi, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar and Mr. Vaibhav Pandit's article got published in the November 2020 issue of Udyog Anubhav Patrika. Further, from 22nd to 24th of November, Dr. Nitin Joshi visited MPCOE College, Velneshwar for the Institute Development Activity. It gives us immense pleasure to announce that on 27th November, Precursory Workshop was organized at Dr. V.N. Brims and convener for the program was Dr. Smita Jappe. The faculty coordinators were Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Professor Kanchan Akshay, and the student coordinators for the same were Purva Ajgaonkar, Devendra Lingayat, Saili Pallav, Revati Padature and Saili Valanche. Speakers on the day of Precursory Workshop 2020 were our Honorable Director Dr. Nitin Joshi giving a welcome address, Mr. Harshal Dikale, General Manager of Oasis Oats Private Limited, also had a session in the Precursory Workshop. Dr. Sridharar Menon, Professor of BRIMS, had a session on the theme of the event, and Mr. Shamlal Gupta was the guest speaker for the Precursory Workshop. Dr. Smita Jappe proposed a vote of thanks. On 27th November, national level competition Parivartan, a step towards rural growth, conducted by IQAC and Students Engagement Team during the Precursory Workshop. Also, Professor Krunal K. Panjani had guided the students team of Revati, Ajay, Jay and Rishabh to develop video for the Precursory Workshop. Further, on 29th and 30th of November, Professor Sandeep Moge provided technical support to Gyanam Ganga NGO for online quiz for visually impaired and Divyang students across all over India. Participants were from different parts including Jammu and Kashmir. Now, let us hear from Janvi, a PGDM student, about this CSR activity done by Dr. V.N. Brims.
Hello, I, Janvi Tandil, second year PGDM student, would like to share my experience about Gyanam Ganga All India Contest for Divyang. Firstly, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Nitin Joshi sir and Guru Prasad Murthy sir for giving us this golden opportunity to be a part of this event. Dr. V. N. Brims acted as a knowledge partner for the Gyanam Ganga All India contest for the visually impaired and the Divyang people. More than 100 participants participated from all over India, including Jammu and Kashmir, for this online contest, which was conducted on Zoom platform. I would also like to express my gratitude towards Dr. Rajesh Shukla for supporting us. Before the actual event, 3 to 4 trials of the quiz were executed with Sandeep Moge sir and Rajesh Shukla sir. Professor Sandeep Moge ensured the smooth conduct of this event. Following students actively volunteered in rehearsals and the actual event. The names are Janvi Tandil, Vaibhavi Vange, Sneha Patil, Purva Asgaonkar, Sujay Patil and Khem Bahadur Hamal. Many dignitaries like Mukesh Khanna, Bollywood actor popularly known as Shaktiman, also had given his good wishes to all the participants. Brims director Dr. Nitin Joshi also motivated the participants on 30th November in his speech. So this is how the entire quiz contest was smoothly executed and we all enjoyed the entire journey.
Going ahead on 30th of November, Professor Krunal K. Panjani, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Professor Sandeep Moge on behalf of BRIMS IIC team organized a webinar on problem solving and ideation conducted by Ms. Savita Rajiv. We are happy to share with you all that Professor Dipti Periwal coordinated and got registered 20 PGDM finance students for courses in finance as an initiative of value-added courses. The course is in collaboration of Indian Institute of Management and EDX. Finally, these were the webinars attended by our faculty. BRIMS conduct various sessions for the graduate students who wish to understand the importance of management courses. So now, we would like to share with you all a video of Ms. Swarada Joshi, alumni of Dr. V. N. Brims, about her experience in Dr. V. N. Brims.
Hello everyone, I am Swarada Joshi and I am an alumni of the BRIMS MMS 2017 and 19 batch. So like any other MBA aspirant which I was back in 2017, I had some prerequisites of what I wanted for myself as an MBA college would offer. So I had 3 things in my mind. The first was practicality, the second was extracurricular and the last was a good placement. So I was looking for colleges which offer MBA and BRIMS was one of them. So when I entered BRIMS, I understood that all the 3 points from my checklist are checked out in this college. So the first was practicality. So when I went into the BRIMS, I understood that they are not a very conventional or a teaching oriented college. It is more of practicalities, more of brainstorming sessions as well as very interactive sessions which help you understand what the corporate world is actually operating or how they work and how we can implement our MBA studies into them and excel better. The second was extracurricular. So if you enter this college, it is always busy. You will always see some exhibition or some research contest which is running on and every teacher is inspiring you, motivating you to enroll in them and then write your own research paper. So this is a great college when it comes to extracurricular, not only be it in your personality development but as well as for your sports or maybe your other interest as well. The last was good placement. So I was very fortunate that I got my internship as well as my final placement via the college. So it was a great experience because I built a really firm and a really strong foundation which led me into the great heights when it comes to corporate work. So currently I am the brand retail manager with Vivo Phones and it has been a great journey and I thank BRIMS for taking this initiative of starting BRIMS Connect where I can connect to all the aspiring MBA students as well as all my alumni friends, and this is a great initiative to keep in touch and to improve and not only me but also the new things which I learned from all of you. So thank you for this opportunity. It was a great pleasure to talk to you all.
Now, I would like to request our librarian Mr. Sanjay Sakpal to inform students about the various e-library services available.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Sapka, librarian Dr. V.N. Brims. We library team would like to inform the students about the various online facilities available on library webpage OPAC. To use the various resources, you need to go on library webpage OPAC. The link is available in chat box. To use ebooks, you need to click here. To use audiobooks, click here. Similarly, you can get previous year question papers and documentary movies. For any other information and suggestion, you can contact me through my email ID. Thank you.
So, these were all the achievements and updates of various events that happened in the month of November 2020. We would like to thank our Director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for their constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank the entire faculty members and the IT team for their support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their efforts. We would also like to thank each one of you for joining the event. It is rightly said that believe in your infinite potential. So, believe in yourself and use your infinite potential to explore and achieve new talents. Thank you for your kind support and cooperation. Stay home, stay safe.